Hello, my name is Lina Marcela Rivera Vanegas. Today we will talk about some stress causes. Physical stress. In this image you can see a person stressed by changes in their health. Physical stress does not allow the person to function properly to change in their environment a daily routine. Symptoms: exhaustion, loss of appetite. Psychological stress. In this image you can see a stressed and depressed person to do couple separation. Psychological stress describes what a person feels when under mental, physical or emotional stress. Symptoms: will, remorse. Or stress, you can see a person stressing a or to do excessive tasks. What stress in the reaction cause what demand a task, and the person assigned to a person. Symptoms: psychological distress. Stress in family environment. You can see a person stressed by not having enough resources to provide their children with education. Family is the state of tension that rises in family when their whole economy is altered. Symptoms: afraid, frustration. Friend environment stress. According to Imaginis is analyze how some children bullying a kid he feels stressed and depressed. Symptoms: low self-esteem, fear of going out. School environment stress. You can see a bored person for having failed assume the person feels stressed, observing how their parents reacting. School stress in the normal region. You are when facing various demands at university. Bye.